if you're in a short trade, you sold your crypto, don't worry about a bounce because it ain't coming. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. And man, I have to play something for you guys because honestly, this is clear what's happening here. Well, I mean, it's not clear to most people actually, but I think you need to see this to understand what's going on. Now, I haven't verified this information. I wanted to get my staff to verify it, but they haven't. But I'm going to assume that it's true, and then I'm going to see if there's any verification information. But here, you can check out, Peak Prosperity channel right here, and
good.
What?
Perfectly good coal plant.
Made that decision?
Blew it up.
Who made that decision? Officially.
Germany, German politicians, whatever. This is just what happens when you're so Germany. All right, I'll show you everything. But in case people in Germany don't quite understand what just happened here, I know that they play soccer, so I think this is a live action demonstration of what just happened in Germany. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's the look of shame. Oh.
Here's the thing, right? It's a joke. You can say that that's a joke, blah blah blah. But what it actually means, right? So that you clearly understand, is that this is not something that they're just doing, just to screw over the coal and say, hey, no way, man, those coal plants dirty, blah blah blah. No, get rid of that. It's more of political play. To say, hey, let's destroy this coal plant, say it's for the environment, but then blame it on Russia that we can't have cheap energy. Yes, you need to let that sink in. Right? All wars are a chess game that the higher-ups play to cause you to get angry and support some nonsense war, right? So there's no stopping this, right? So if you don't have any Bitcoin, well, I have a video for you.
The Lord tells me he can get me out of this mess, but he's pretty sure you're fucked.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Okay, guys. So do what you gotta, right? Do nothing and suffer the consequences, right? I'm spelling it out for you, man. I'm spelling it out for you. It is here. Oh boy. And you know what? The market, right? Bitcoin's what's it called? Dominance is spelling it out for you. It is running like a mofo. Since this earning this week, when I told you it was down here, if you were not out, you're still not too late. This is going to move so fast, it will make your head spin. And there's got to be a clear reason for that. Oh, maybe people know stuff about what's going to go down. And so they're going to sell all their nonsense assets and move it into assets that make sense. Like Bitcoin, gold. Now it doesn't matter. Although Bitcoin has been in the down and dumps, right, and hasn't really, achieved a new high or blast off potential yet. Doesn't matter. What matters is when you compare it to all the other cryptos, its downward movement is nothing. All right, so let's see if we can come up with a trade for today. Here, we can only do some hourly scalping, but it's dangerous with these large wicks, but we'll just do what we can. There's not much here there is actually. Yeah, there we go. We can say that, well, this was a target here, so so this one already played out. This M played out to the target. We're coming back up. Looks like this is going to roll over. You've got a chance to, yeah, there it is. It's good enough. Let's go down to slower time frames. We have like lower lows. Okay, so yeah, maybe we can get in on this. They try to take out this wick here. It's because it's quite weak. You can see there's not much going on here. So this wick, most likely an entry point, right? So we can do that. You want to do a short. This is going to be very short. Short. You can't really hold this trade beyond the walkaway point. Okay? And you should not hold this trade beyond the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Don't even think about it. There's going to be a lot of chop. Right? Don't even think about it. Let's see how that plays out in the next. It's probably, you know what? This is going to be a short-term trade, so it's probably going to be done by today, one way or the other. So it's going to fail. And these kind of trades are like when they do short-term trades, the probability of success is a little bit less than if we're doing a long-term hourly trade. But there's nothing available for us to trade. So this trade is probably best for the people who are watching right now. It's not good for anybody who is watching this later on, unfortunately. Looking at this trade, if you got in here, like I told you, I said this trade's going to carry you. It's not only going to carry you for a while. It looks like it's going to carry you all the way to $5K, $500, right? All the way. That's the target, right? And you could move your stops to break even stop. Like you move your stop right here, right now. If you kept this trade somehow by some miracle, which you really shouldn't have, but if you did, right? That's your new stop loss in profit right there. That's your new stop loss. So if you want to jump in on this trade, you want to hope and pray we break up here. But if we do that, right, there's a possibility that we could end up coming and really testing this areas up here at the $1,900 level. So it'll be a really, really, really difficult one to hold, right? So if you want to, you could either start shorting at the 1900, right? Or, you wait and see if there's sort of like a W pattern. It gets us back, at least gets us up to here to the 1854, and then you can short that down. But there's not much of a bounce. If there is, it is over, man. It will roll over so fast you'll make your empty head spin. Damn, it is crazy. Solana, same thing. We are dead in the water. $80, sorry, not 80K. $80 is the target, just like I've been saying. And yeah, we have broken this key level here, and that's it. We're out. We out. Once it broke that was it. Game over. Out you go. Run. And don't look back. This thing's got more downside to go. There ain't no bouncing happening. And so, yeah. If you want to get into the short, you can probably get into it right now, or you wait for another little bit of a bounce up to the 117, and then you go. You short this thing down. It's over. But the crying, right? That's it, man. Sad day, man. Sad day. But yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully, you guys get some Bitcoin. You get out of all your alts. You take possession of your Bitcoin. You take possession of your gold. Right now, it is game over. Stop dilly-dallying. Stop being afraid, because this is real. What's about to come down the pipe, you ain't gonna like. It is what it is. Can't stop the weather. Thanks for watching. Peace.